We go to the operation. Uh, Reset. We choose bottle 3 or any one. We can test the, or I'm sorry, here. When you back, when you install the label be ready, we need to check here. Okay, check this place. Check this place. Keep this place very smooth because when the label be fitting out, it's not good here. Label will be broken here. So we call this one the label be fitting longers. Okay, or these longers we can control, be controlled by the sensor. Okay, moving the sensor left or right side, and the level be outside is longer or short. We also can level fitting longers. We can set in here 100. We try. Then we turn on level. We test one level. See here. Now is a little longer, a little longer. Now we come to here. Come back here. We setting 300. And we can check here. When label be turned on, this means this bottle sensor be turned on. So we can touch one time, one label coming. See, now is too much longer. We only need the 1 or 2 millimeter is enough. So we change back 0 and we test again. See here, it's very short now. Okay, 2 or 3 millimeter is enough. And this sensor we call the bottle sensor. We detect the bottle. We can put one bottle here. Then we can find the red number. It's around the 180. Okay, and we take away. It is the 32. So we can set in the green one between the two numbers. We can set in 50, no problem. Up. Okay, 127, no problem. It doesn't matter. It's the green number between the two red number. The, the sensor will be detect the bottles. We try again. We check. Okay, when bottle is coming, the red light flash, which means the sensor detected the bottle already. So we can start the machine. First, we choose bottle 1, bottle 2, any bottle is reception, and then we turn on the label. The label turn on means this motor be ready and this sensor be turned on. And we start the conveyor. Okay, moving the conveyor. We put one bottle here. Okay, label be out. It's very nice. We try again. See, labeling very high precision, very high precision. Okay, let me introduce our HMI operation system, receive page, and output. Okay, output is a single output every time. So we stick one bottle labeling that will be a count one time, and this is total output. We can reset. See, reset. Okay, system. We don't change the pyramid. This is our professional data pyramid. No need to change here. And the conveyor speed is control the conveyor speed. And speed. Wrap speed is control the blue belt speed. Okay. So come to here. The side page is we choose the bottle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 5 different bottle. We can set in different parameters. They have label feeding speed. Label feeding speed. Feeding speed is this motor. This motor's speed. The motor speed. This speed must be matched with the blue belt because the label be feeding out and the blue belt wrap around the bottle going. So if this one is fast, we must setting label feeding speed fast. This one is a slow speed. We will reduce the label feeding speed. Label feeding numbers. Okay, label feeding numbers. We control this label feeding numbers function is same with moving this label, this sensor. 去移动一下，打开，移动一下啊，对，左右移动一下。Okay, hold stop. Okay, we move the label sensor. Now we can find label and error test. See, one label is out. It's too much longer. With the bottle here, it's not good. So we must keep the label is very short. Label, the label out is should be very short. So move it back. Okay, move it back. Okay, we try again. See, it's short, not enough. Move it back again. 还移的，好，See, short again. 再去个5 millimeter. OK，向前面来一点，向前面来一点点。好，See, a little is enough. OK, now we so label fitting numbers is this factor control this one. We also can set in here 100, 200. The label be change the numbers. Okay, and label fitting delay. Label fitting delay. Label fitting delay. The factor is same this sensor. We can move this sensor left or right side. So the label will be fitting out late or short or early, a little early, a little late. So sometimes we can move this sensor left or right side, or sometimes we can setting the delay Let me try to show you. We can set in the delay 200. Okay, let me see. Label is okay. Uh, okay, running. See, see, the bottle is good to here. The label is out. So it's delay long times. The label is go away. So not good. Sometimes we setting 0, or we can move it this one. If you need to label be feeding out a delay, we can move it here, or we change number here. Okay. Now operation. The label. This button is control the motor turn on or off. If we turn off here, the conveyor is on, but we cannot. We touch the board sensor, no level out. Okay, no level out. If we turn on the level, check here. Okay, level out. Okay, level out. So if you want level be out, we must turn on here. Okay, now turn off. The conveyor is control this motor. And the air test, now air test is start no level out, no level out. We must turn on level. Now we see 你按一下那个 air test. See, try again. Okay, see the level out. So if you want an air test, you must be turn on the level first. The air test. Okay, this is reset. Reset means the level be broken. The machines have some problem. We reset. Okay, so before we labeling, we choose anyone. And now we choose bottle 3. Okay, we go to the bottle 3 pyramid operation. We also can choose bottle 1. Okay, so the machine's very important things is the level feeding speed. This motor's speed must be match this speed, and we should to setting the level be fitting longer a little short is enough. Okay, and the sensor left or right side is very important. We call it the level fitting delay. So it's an easy machine, and sometimes we need to setting the bottle sensor. If your bottle is black bottle or the white bottle, we need to change the green number. The green number. Remember, the green number must be between the red number. Now red number is 35 because the sensor not find the bottle. Okay, okay. Put one bottle. Okay, you see the sensor find the bottle. See the number 132. Okay, so we can set in 125. We also can set in 85. Still working. 动一下瓶子 Still working. See the 好，动一下 See the red light be flash means find the bottle.